birthday!
Happy birthday!
Yay!
Happy birthday!
Yay!
Yay!
So we're going to make a cake. Bella! Hello guys, happy birthday Bella! We have a balloon. Okay, we're going to make a cake. Are you ready? Okay, the cake is here. Okay, Dada is there. This is the cake. You see the cake? Are you ready, Bella? We're going to make cake.
Wow. Okay, nice.
Can we do this? Can we do this?
Okay, you can do it. Here. Okay, are you ready? Okay. Okay. Okay, maganda? Okay. You put the decoration. Come on.
Sino maglagay?
Can you help me?
This one. Put na. Wait. Wait. Okay, go. Go, Bella. Very good. Oh, Lola, come here. Okay. And then one there. One there. Okay. Tatlong belly. And then, you put where you want.
Wow!
There.
You put.
Oh, you put the one on. Put this one.
No!
It's okay.
Yung damit will be malagyan ng mesh.
Si ate.
Yung damit will be malagyan ng mesh.
Si ate naman. Oh, si Lola naman.
So good!
So good.
So good!
Yay.
So good.
Okay, Bella, you put it here.
Now?
Where you put the chocolate.
No. Put in your cake.
Okay.
Chocolate.
And then you sprinkle this one.
You put.
Sprinkle.
So
Good.
There.
Nice. Yay. More. And then you put marshmallow. Wow, we have a nice cake. Ate, ikaw.
No,
ano ba
don't
to?
eat.
Ayan. Michael din.
Oo.
Maglagay na kayo, bilis.
Bella.
Di ba, ganda na kayo natin.
Put Bella. Put Bella there.
Oh, wow!
Wow, isn't Bella very happy?
Bella, put. Wow.
Wow.
Ganda. Beautiful. Say beautiful.
Ganda. Wow, ganda.
You already put
Wow.
now. You put now your marshmallow there.
Wow.
Nice.
Nice cake.
Bella.
Yes, no.
We got a mess. Another one.
Another one.
Wow, so many marshmallow. Di ba laki ng cake natin? Nasi? Wow! Ganda.
Your dress is already already fold down.
Please.
Put bake. Oh. Mother, don't put it in your dress. Wow, it's good, it's nice. You put it there.
Okay, finish. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Maalala. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Yung mukha niya, hindi na yung mother.
Yung na yan!
May dress.
Yay! Birthday to
Hey,
you.
hey.
Okay, let's blow the candle. Yung yung pangbata. Let's sing na. Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Day to you. Blow. Okay, very good. There your cake also. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Blow the candle. Oh, very good. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay. Yay, happy birthday. Heart. Ouch. Okay, again. Ayaw na ng music. Again. Nangalay na si Lola. Okay, ready?
Hey, sing.
Asaw ko yung sing na.
You sing there and outside.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ano?
Happy birthday birthday.
Maganda siya.
Happy birthday to you. You look daw your cake. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Blow. Blow. Oh my God, yay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay. Blow, 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 blow. 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 Oh, very good. Okay.
Wow. Two best is
Sige na, sige na. Iit na.
happy birthday.
Okay, iit na. Iit na, Big. Yay! Okay. Yummy? Okay, Lola naman. Yay! Siyempre, hindi na si Ate. Charot. Ay, hindi, ito na. Ate! Yay! Mama! Yay!
Sarah.
Lola! Daddy!
Daddy! Huwag mo nga.
Oh, no!
Don't people.
You just bite.
Bite only. Eat na naman.
Picture na tayo, picture.
1, 2, 3. Hello.
Hello.
Give me the lighter, please. Give me that one. Sige,
Hello, look at this. Oh,
Look at this. Picture, ma. Face. Picture, picture.
Smile.
Bella! Yeah, yeah. Hindi, yung gitna yan.
Para hindi naman tumakan. Tapos ako.
But,
Naman, hindi ka nakabit mo doon. Ay! Ano naman yung kadit mo niya? Ano yung round? Siya round. Sabi mo round. Nakita tayo doon sa dagat. Nandito.
you eat.
Yan. Piling na ang mata mo. Kala ko naman meron tayong kakainin iba.
ayan, cake.
Ganun lang pala yung birthday niya.
Babawi tayo sa Sunday.
Sige ko na, kuha na yan. Pick. Pick na niya lahat. Hindi naman masisira itong bill, di ba? Itong ito.
Hindi.
Hindi, suko ka. Galing ko sa Bulinaw. Oh my God, dinasar. Woo! Sabihin ko na pagmamalaki ko, ito yung binigay ko sa ano ng apo ko, bigay ko kay Bob.
Ayan na.
May dito eh.
Ano na ba yan?
Pila?
Ano na ba yan? Ano yung ginagawa mo, anak?
Oh, you po already. You get that.
Masarap ba?
Sarap ng ice.
Oh, mothers. Kuha ka na ng toppings mo dyan.
Ayoko niyan topping, paano yan, di ba? Matamis.
Wow.
Ito kakainin ko bukas ng gabi.
No, hey Bella.
No, for Bella.
Huh?
Nasaan ba yung kay Bella? One for Bella. Ay, one for Bella daw. Bakit nga ba yung may birthday mo lang nauna? One for Bella. Kawawa. Si Bella daw. Si Bella na daw. Galit na. Nag-aamok na yung pan.
Excuse me.
Birthday girl.
You put this one on your damit, madudumihan.
Hindi, okay lang yung madumihan. Pagod bay na rin naman yan. Hindi na ulitin yan.
You hold.
Yung isa vanilla. Vanilla flavor. Yan yung kinuha niyo chocolate yan.
Ipangit na pag mayroong ganon. Pinipicturean mo.
Yung alin?
Pinipicturean niya mayroong ganon.
Sige, Bea. Sige,
Eh,
Bea.
tapos, di ba ano yan, matamis? Ayoko na.
Timmy.
Ayun na. Wala, hindi yan matamis. Very light lang yan.
Ha? Hindi nakatipid si mama mo, be. Yung probar split.
Ano nakatipid? Yung makingaan yan. Ito isa, magkano isa? Itong yan. Tapos yung mga yun. Ito, 32 plus yun, 15. Mura.
Mura. 32 plus 15.
45.
Toppings mo.
Sarap.
Ito. Ang po, Diyos ko.
Oh my goodness.
Ganda na rin na yate. Masarap ang cake mong birthday girl.
Kilala mo? Kilala mo ba yan?
I don't know which flavor this one. It may be chocolate flavor. Then
Gawin mo unang panahon na yun.
you look at this one.
This.
Ay, wala. I don't know. Here.
Cake. Wraps.
You don't like this in Mark?
Crap guys.
Ay naku, nakikita yung sampay. Ano ba yan?
Masarap makikain sa birthday girl. You see?
Ito yung birthday girl. Ay, sige.
Ang sarap pala nito.
Ano rin?
Ito.
Ah?
Hmm.
Alin? Tingnan, agad yung mga...
Give me.
Tingnan ka ng bata. Sabi niya, kakarami ng ate. Ay, ma, inaantok na, nakapikit.
Tinantok na siya, pero malaban to siya. Oh. Sabi niya, marami pa yun, sabi niya.
May tabi niya, masarap siya. Hindi siya naman kumain eh. Kunti kinain niya.
Tama lang yung kain na kanila.
Tsaka matabang ito.
O, baka nang tingin ka sa akin. Oh. Ayan, shoot.
That is chocolate.
Okay.
You want to taste?
Yes.
Hindi naman siya yung ano. Tignan mo ito, ipista kunin niya lahat, oh. Isa lang, tinikman lang niya yung dulo.
Hindi naman yung kinain. Ito ang gusto niya.
How's it? Good?
Tinitikman lang niya. Matama na yung chocolate, ang dami niya, no?
Baby. Thank you.
Like this one.
May ano dito, isa pang bata.
Sabi ang ganda pala pag mag-birthday, marami makakain ng ibang lasa.
Candies.
Maraming candy.
Yun lang yung pagkataon niya.
Sabi niya araw-araw sana ganito.
Talagang nai-enjoy. Feeling ko nag-enjoy siya dito sa improvised cake natin. Kasi nakita niya ko
Are you happy? Hi. Are you happy?
Yeah, are you happy? At saka isa lang, concentrate lang sa cake lang tayo. Hindi pag yung maraming handa. Hindi masyadong
Bakit siya? Hindi
Hindi masyado mapapansin. So, nakadalaw na ako, guys.
Sige lang.
Masarap
Masarap
Saka
makikain.
hindi ka masyadong kumain ng kanin. Masabi ko sa inyo, huwag kayong masyadong kumain ng kanin. Marami tayo.
Tapos sabi niya sa amin, hindi niyo nagustuhan yung luto ko. Sabi niya siguro. Nice. Masarap siya.
Kunti lang kinain kong kanin.
Kahit mukha siyang sabog.
Mukha siyang sabog, pero masarap talaga siya, promise. I
Yung-
swear.
Yung cake.
Bihira lang
Ay, hindi pa
kasi.
kumain si mama pa rin. Hindi niya pa
Araw-araw
natin.
kakakain niya, magsasawa ka na rin. Lalo na yung brownies. Ang tamis no? Yung
Kaya nga ito light eh, kaya masarap din
Yung
siya.
flavor ng chocolate mother, brownies yun.
Noong ang nanay ko ibalik.
Ay, umaga ngayong kakalaban mo. Sabi ni Bea.
Well, di ba nung si nanay ay laging nagbabalik bayan ang ilang years yun? 10 years?
Ano ba sa?
Aray ko saglit.
Goldilocks, ang kinakain namin laging cake, lumpia, sumama sa pagkain. Ubusin ng nanay ko ang pera niya sa pagkain lang. Nanakawan pa kami ng pintas niya, tinan niya, no?
Nablot.
Nablot na ganyan,
Sige
no?
na, sige pa.
Nakasakay sa jeep.
Hayaan mo siya.
Hindi, naglalakad lang kami.
Maya mo siya
Nablot eh,
mag-ano.
akong kasama nun eh.
Ay, upload ko yun. Imbis na may
Loli.
sound tayo eh.
Loli.
Ay, naku, nakapikit
Nantok
ng
mo siya,
baby ko. Nantok na yung birthday girl.
Hey. Ako, inumin
Oh, tignan mo. Nga. Tubig.
Chocolate na naman, no?
Bea, stop. Chocolate, stop.
Tubig nga kayo.
That's Lola na. Nakatulog. Sobrang siya sa sugar. Enough na,
Water
Bea.
na, water.
Okay na. Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
Happy birthday, Bella. Nag-green. Do you feel you're happy? Are you happy with the cake? Yeah? Bea, are you happy with the cake?
Makaisalita. Oo, dirty yun, dirty.
Okay guys, ayan na. Yan lang po ang handaman namin yung eksaktong January 9 na birthday ni Bella. So, update po sa Sunday. Meron pang susunod. Yung actual cake niya, narigala ni Ate. At saka, yung handaan namin, next to food,
Okay.
with Lola, Bella, and Ate.
Muna? Yun na?
So, see you
Hindi na
guys.
siya makahinga, ha?
Uy, tama na. Sobrahan na ng twist. Thank you for watching. Say thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Nakakasi.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.